right, Adarva, you are the only one in class with a 504 plan. So I just decided to make a video for you because I wasn't sure if you wanted other people to see yours. Okay. So your 504 plan is just a little simpler than an IEP, and it's very straightforward, easy for you to read. Okay, so your disability is autism spectrum disorder, and this is described, so number 2, describe how the mental or physical impairment substantially limits major life activity. So you have some struggles with social interactions, concentration, and attention. They're impacted by the impairment, okay? So because of autism, you may have some struggles with those 3 things, okay? Now, because of these struggles, your teachers and case manager have worked out some accommodations that you will get at school. And these are all of them, all right? So you are allowed to have audiovisual or technological devices, and this is specifically for use of the computer for longer written assignments. So what this means is if you're in school in person and the teacher wants you to write out a very long paragraph, you can tell your teacher that you have an accommodation to type it up, okay? Because that's something that will help you. Your seating, your teacher should always put you in a seat near positive peer role models. You can go through and read all of these yourself, all right? Now for testing, that's what these are for number 4, okay? So testing would be any state or district-wide assessments, and that would be the SAT when you're a junior, the PSAT this year. All right, so you get extended time, which is 150% on math and English in several district assessments. Now for the SAT, you get time and a half for reading, math, writing, listening, and speaking. Okay, so really you just get extended time for everything, which means the SAT is a time test. So say on the math section, students get 35 minutes, you get time and a half. Okay, so that means you get another 35 minutes and then another, whatever half of 35 is. Okay, so around another 17 minutes or so, okay? Now down here, there was no additional comments listed for you. This is the date that the meeting was held to determine your 504 plan. This person set it up, and then here is everybody who was at the meeting. And there's my name because I was there last year, okay? Here's notes from the meeting, and actually this is not notes from the meeting. This is notes from this year. So Anthony Clark, Mr. Clark is an assistant principal at NCHS, and he added a note into your 504. Because I guess there was some confusion about something. So you can read through that, and that's it. So really it's just a list of accommodations that you are allowed to have in the classroom to help you out. Okay, so if you have any other questions, you can reach out to your case manager, who is Mr. Clark. He's an assistant principal, but also you can ask me too, okay?